to talk to you about the Doceri app. Okay, so I have the app open on my iPad. Let's just start here. So this is the app on my iPad. Okay, you can connect it to your computer either via AirPlay or by the desktop app that they sell, which is for $30, but for 30 days you can use it for free. I recommend you use the Doceri connection because it's better than AirPlay. So if we open up the Doceri app, so we just press to open it up, you get this app, and you can see now what you can see how it works. Okay, now what you need is something good in order to write onto the app. Now the best pen that I found to do it is called the bamboo stylus, which costs about so it costs about $10–15. Okay, and it has a rubber nib like that. It looks rather big, but it's okay for our use. Okay, and you can actually write using your finger, but it's better to use a pen. Now, in order to write, they have this wrist guard here, okay, which helps you like rest on the thing, so you can write on the thing. So actually I've got the line tool drawn there, so just pick a pen tool and you can see how easy it is to write on the screen. Okay, if I write my name, let's just write a quadratic. 3x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. You can see how easy it is. It's even easier if you enlarge the screen. Okay, and sort of writing on using Doceri is a little bit of a skill which has to be learned over time. I have to say now I'm an expert. So you've got a palette of colours there. So you've got a drawing tool, a thick pen, a spray tool, a line tool, a square tool, a circle, a line, an arrow tool like that. Okay. So let's just have a look at some of those. So if you want to do a square, you can either do a rectangle, but if you want to do an exact square, if you just touch the screen with a second finger, if you saw what I do there, I'll just repeat that. So here is a square, a rectangle, and I want to make it a square. Just with one of your fingers, just touch on there. Okay, the same sort of thing with a circle. So to want to make an exact circle, you can just touch with the pen, just touch with your finger. That's one of the little techniques that you need to know. Okay, you can rub things out, so you can rub things out, okay, and things like that. So it makes it quite useful. Okay, so that is how the basic introduction there to Doceri. So you've got quite a lot of tools there that you can play around with. You've got a backspace thing, so you can go back, and that deletes everything that you are doing. Okay. You can also erase the whole thing if you want to by using that one. So that is the introduction there to Doceri. So the best pen I recommend is this one, and I hope you get to use it one day because it's really useful.